Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to use leftover pulled pork. We're going to do a smash burger patty, top it with some fresh made guacamole and some pickled red onions. It's going to be good. Here we go. So here we have some pulled pork I made a few weeks ago. I went with a Mexican style carne asada seasoning on this, which is going to help pair well with the direction I'm taking this burger. If you were to do a traditional barbecue seasoning, you don't have to go with the guacamole or the pickled red onions. You can take it in a different direction. Just think of this recipe as a jumping off point for your own interpretation. I came up with this idea after I realized how much I really enjoy making smash burgers, and how many of us who have had leftover pulled pork have just turned it into more pulled pork sandwiches. Nothing wrong with a pulled pork sandwich. I will eat them all day, every day. But sometimes you just want something a little different. So I decided to give this a try and make it into a smash burger. So what I'm going to do is form a couple of 4-ounce balls of pork. And as far as the prep goes, that is all that we need for now. For the guacamole, it's pretty easy. You're going to need 2 avocados and the juice of half a lime, plus a few seasonings along the way. Just going to cut around the pit. There are a couple of different ways to remove the pit. You can take a spoon and scoop it out. I like to use my knife. Pop it right out. Get yourself a spoon, scoop this right out. Gonna do salt to taste, black pepper to taste, a little bit of granulated garlic, and just a touch of cumin. Take your lime, kind of roll it out. And squeeze the juice. Get yourself a fork or some kind of mashing implement and just start mashing. Give it a little taste. And adjust your seasonings as necessary. For the pickled red onions, I have a recipe I did a while back on the channel. I will link it above. Give that a look and it'll show you exactly how I make these. Got my griddle warming up. I'm going for about 450 degree temperature range. And if you're wondering how I would know this is 450 degrees, infrared thermometer is the best thing to use when using a flat top griddle. Not a required step in this process, but because I'm kind of going for sort of a pork carnitas kind of vibe, I'm going to put a little bit of lard down on this. Meatballs going down. This is the seasoning I used on it initially. I'm just going to reinforce those flavors by hitting it again, treating it like salt and pepper. Now it's time to smash. Take my bun, get a little light toast on it. Going down with some pepper jack cheese. Got the burger bun going down. Our pulled pork smash patties. Topping it with our guacamole. And a little splash of color with some pickled red onions. Top that off. All right, it's time to get a taste test. Here it is. It looks pretty. Woo. Oh, yeah. Now, even though I'm going for a smash burger kind of vibe, you're getting the crispiness that you would get from a smash burger patty, but it's not really like a smash burger. That pulled pork is kind of holding together. There was so much fat in it when I cooked it. It's not wanting to fall apart. And then it's topped with this creamy guacamole. These flies are killing me. And then you've got the bright vinegar punch from the pickled red onions. This is really delicious. Yes, sir. It is messy. Woo, it's messy. But it is tasty. I will say, few things better than a good pulled pork sandwich, but even a good thing can get old after a while. So if you are looking for new ways to use that leftover pulled pork, the smash burger is a really good option. So consider giving this one a try. If you found this video helpful, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or leaving me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to a few more people. So help me to continue and spread that word. And as always, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.